The escalating power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga, is plunged into a constitutional and political crisis as ZANU-PF pushes to extend Mnangagwa's stay in office until 2030, a move critics say threatens the country's fragile democracy and exposes widening fissures within the ruling party. Sanabena mashoko blanyo kopangwa ine chenkonzi ED Chiwenga fight in Zimbabwe in constitutional crisis. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chiendra meneno moblanyo komchinzi. At its 22nd annual National People's Conference in Mtare last Saturday, ZANU-PF reaffirmed its controversial resolution to extend Mnangagwa's current term beyond 2028 to 2030, with the Justice Minister and Party Legal Secretary Ziyambi revealing that the Ministry of Justice had been directed to fast-track constitutional amendments by October 2026. If adopted, the amendment would effectively cancel the 2028 presidential election, stretching Mnangagwa's second term due to end in 2028 by an additional 2 years. The move is being justified as aligning his leadership with his Vision 2030 economic blueprint. But analysts warn it's a veiled attempt to undermine constitutionalism and entrench personal rule. The proposal deepens factional tensions within ZANU-PF, with insiders suggesting that Mnangagwa's allies are attempting to neutralize Chiwenga's presidential ambitions ahead of the next election cycle. The former army general who played a key role in ousting Robert Mugabe in 2017 is reportedly opposed to any extension that would delay his own succession prospects. Legal experts have raised alarm over the implications of the planned constitutional amendment. Under Zimbabwe's 2013 constitution, a president can serve only 2 terms. Changing this provision would require a constitutional amendment and potentially 2 referendums according to the constitutional years. However, former ZANU-PF strategist Professor Jonathan Moyo has argued that the party could lawfully extend Mnangagwa's current term without a referendum by amending Section 95(2)(b), which defines the length of the presidential term, rather than altering Section 91(2), which limits the number of terms. With a 2/3 parliamentary majority and a fragmented opposition, ZANU-PF has political numbers to push through the change. Critics say this interpretation amounts to constitutional manipulation, a tactic long used to maintain elite power under the guise of legal reform. The resolution has nothing to do with the work class and peasantry, said Paulo Nicholas Mabena, General Secretary of the Zimbabwe Communism Party, ZCP. Domashwa arikuda pangwa ine atiri kuona kuti Mnangagwa's 2030 plan pangwa ino yakonzeresa kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ipinde mucrisis. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section yenyu ndidza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.